Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Patrick. This is the 7th lesson of my PHP basic course. So today I'm going to talk about looping in PHP. So there are a few looping constructs in PHP. So I will go through at least 3 constructs of them. Okay, 3 looping method of the construct. Okay, let's get started. Let me switch to Windows. So this is where we left off from last lesson. Okay, so I'm going to delete this one. So the first construct is while. Okay, while I is less than or equals to 5. For example, do echo. Okay, name maybe I. And then I echo out a break. A break. This is a HTML tag. Okay, HTML tag, so that it will instruct PHP to go to next line, so that it won't, it won't put together in one line. So you need to break a line, and then it will print next line inside next line. So we need to initialize this I, maybe 1, so that it will go inside the loop, right? So the while loop will run as long as the condition is true. Okay, so 1 is less than 5, yes, it will run through, and then we need to increment this. Okay, increase this by 1, so that when it print the first the first name and I, it will increment by 1, then it become 2, and then it goes back to the while loop, and then it will compare again. Is I less than or equal to 5? Yes. Then it will come back inside the loop again, and then print the same thing. Okay, but with different I value. I value is different. So for every loop, the I value is different, because it's increment by 1 inside the loop. Okay, so every time it will loop through the whole thing. So let us look at how these things look like. Co-host PHP. Okay, see this one? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will print until the condition become false. Okay, until when the I is 5 or I is 6, then it come back here. It will compare 6 is less than or equal to 5. No, then it will stop. Then it will come here, and actually you can echo it out. So this is the last one. Maybe the last I. Maybe like that. Okay, so that we can see exactly how much is I. See this one? So the I is actually 6. The last value is 6. Okay, so it will not go any further, because the loop has already ended. Okay, so this is the looping. Okay, I will go through with you more about while loop when we come to database. Okay, when we come to database, then I will show you more about how we can use while inside for database record looping. And there's a lot of loopings in database. Alright, okay, this is first one. Okay, the second one is for. Yeah, we call it for. Let's say we do it again, 0. So for looping is a little bit different from while, because it does initialize the value. So the second part is the condition. Okay, so less than 5, and then I increment by how many? Okay, you can set actually by increment by 2, or maybe increment by 3. Okay, so but I'm going to do it by 1. Alright, So you need to echo maybe. Let's say we do it again. Probably we'll remark this one, right? We'll remark this one. Okay, for name. Okay, I, and then same thing, we will echo again a break. Okay, and that's it. And of course, we want to have the value of I, the last value of I. Okay, that's about it. I think so. Okay, let's us refresh it. So you'll start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the last one will be 6. Why is 0? Because we initialize it with 0. If we initialize it with 1, then it will start with 1. See, it will start with 1. Okay? Alright. So the next construct, looping construct, is what we call for each. This to me, I never have this experience before in other language. Okay, this is the first time that I have went through this for each construct when I start to learn PHP. So for each, this is a very special looping construct to me. Yeah. So I have to give you some basic of array. Array in PHP. 1, 2, 3, 4. Example. Okay, for each. Oh, sorry. ISK. Okay, for each ISK. So it will assign each one of these 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Assign it to the K value. For each one of the I, you will assign it inside the K. The next loop you will assign again. The first loop you will assign 1, this one into K, and then the next loop you will assign 2 into K, and then so forth. Right, so on and so forth. So we will echo K. Alright, and then of course we want to have a break. Let's see what is going on. See this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is a very useful loopings when you try to post data from a form into another PHP page. So you can use this one to loop through the data inside a form. So you can get every value of the form, or even a request or get a parameter. So you can get everything from that. It's very easy and is less error prone. Okay, it will cause you to do less error instead of more error. Alright, so you can use it very effectively. Okay, alright, today's lesson until here, and I hope you like the video. If you like it, smash the like button, share my video, and also subscribe to my channel. Turn on all notifications. Okay, until next lesson, I will see you again. Thank you, bye bye.